I want to show you a close-up of how you sweet baby. So I am about to get ready. I'm just going to do a minimal look today because my friends and I are going to hang out. So I'm almost done with my makeup. I only have my lippy left. I don't have anything on my eyebrows yet, and I haven't set my face with a fixing or a setting spray. I wanted to test two products today. So first we are testing the Get Ready With Me All About That Face Life Proof Fixing Spray in Ultra Matte, and also the Ultimate Brow Fix from Everbilena. So before I put on the fixing spray, I will apply this first. I need concentration with this because I don't want it to set with my brows going to different directions. This was actually recommended to me by one of my best friends, and ever since, I haven't put it down. I want to show you a close-up of how my brows look. So these two products are going through an ultimate test today, and I'm gonna let you know how it goes. It's a rainy day, actually may bagyo, so this is what I'm wearing today. A blazer, a tank top, shorts, my Longchamp, and I'm gonna wear Converse. My sweet baby, hahatid pa ako, hahatid kami. Parang sarap ng name ko. Ito ba yun? Mga pwedeng tripod, pwedeng key. Masarap. Tapos super. Hindi syempre uminom ako. Sakto yung ininom akong squat. And this is What did you order? Kumakain sila. You're eating gelato ba siya? Hindi. Alam mo ba yung meaning ng eggshill?
Pero yung sa akin, hindi yun.
Ito naman yung brows ko. Makeup. At dito ka, Mos. Kasi kinanta ko kanina. May nagbudol sa akin na friend doon. Siya po. Siya yung nagbudol. So, that's my brows. Ikaw din ba?
Suot ka rin siya.
Then, my base. Thank you po. So, currently, you're here sa my snack bar area.
Excited ako sa food.
Yeah, where you can sit with friends. Ganyan. Pero yung mga kiln, it's here. So, this one is 55 degrees inside. And then, it's salt and oak charcoal. Here, it's 76 degrees. It's the amethyst room. The amethyst crystals. Here, it's 91 degrees. It's the ochre hot kiln. Yun. So, after mo pumunta dun sa mga hot caves, mag-ice room ka. So, that's the ice room. Ano, mag-gym tayo dito?
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Subject ko lang.
May tumbler din.
Sa amin po ba yan? Ay.
Bilog ng face.
Try mo siya now para alam
Gusto ko sa eyes.
Galing na kami sa 61 degree na kiln, 55 degrees, and also 76 degrees. Also, we just had the massage. It's a full body massage kasama yung head and face. Minasage na yung nose ko, kaya
Kay Milan.
tapos minasage din yung brows ko, like ganun. But my brows are still intact. That's really impressive. My brows. Kung hindi ako nag-oil up, you still see my contour. Yung blush ko medyo nawala na because we were lying down facing the floor. So may towel akong ganun. You know the massage beds, nakaganon ako. And then minumove ako ni ate. So narub yung cheeks ko. But everything else is still there.
Meron sayutang.
Sayutang.
Mild spicy lang. Tsaka
Isa pong gimba.
nasa-order na po siya.
Why?
Nalungkot ako.
Gagawa mga 9:30.
Ano po usually yung popular na cup noodles? Yung ano kaya? Mas masarap yung sige po. Try ko nga no, something new. Thank you. Kain na ako. Kain ko. Kain na yun. Ingit din namin sino. Gusto mo taste? Sarap ba yun? Time check, it's 10:05 p.m. This is how my face looks. My under eyes did not budge. And my brows. Girl. I still have a bit of blush and contour. I mean, you tell me.